Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his video message on 350th of the coronation ceremony of the Shivaji Maharaj, said when Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj coronation took place, it carried the slogan of Swaraj. The Unified Payments Interface (UPI) registered record more than 9 billion transactions last month, amounting to over 14 lakh crore rupees. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has called upon BRICS nations to demonstrate their sincerity in reforming multilateral institutions, including of the United Nations Security Council. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has said that the government is working to build a developed India by the year 2047 by focusing on all sectors of the country. In hockey, the Indian hockey team defeated arch rivals Pakistan in the final of the Men's Junior Asia Cup 2023 2-1 at the Sultan Ubus Youth Complex Stadium in Salalah, Oman last night.